Damn it. Guys, it's been a very long time since the last updated. So today we're gonna go through my new channel, Future Raptorr, or Alex VI. My current name. Last time you guys see me, I probably didn't look like this either. I got a beard now, all sorts of type of stuff. So today, let's outline my vlog. I'm gonna do a couple shopping. I'm gonna pick up some stuff for Clean Tire. I'll show you guys what is behind this garage. One of the builds. The last video I put up of this car was when it was yellow, and that was a long time ago. Let's get this started. This is Woody Beater 1005 Mitsubishi Lancer Rally R edition. I just got my new deck, so we're gonna do this today probably. Another video I'm gonna be uploading on this channel. Let's head to Canadian Tire. So at Canadian Tire, let's see if we can find our stuff. So what we need today, we're gonna need some bondo and some tools. Let's go ahead. I want to talk to you guys about the projects that we have. You have the wide-body molded 135i, which I'm gonna be doing today. Yo, it's so weird holding a camera, man. This big. Imagine being in a store and people look at you like, yo, who the hell is this guy talking to? He's crazy. But I'm not actually crazy. I need bondo. So we are here in the area. We got sandpaper, which I need, and we got bondo. Now, the funny thing is, I don't need fiberglass resin. We need this body filling bondo. Oh, what's this? I don't read French. But anyways, we're gonna need this one can, does one side of my wide body. In fact, I might even need more because that's only two fenders. Two fenders for this entire thing. I have yet to do the front bumper and the rear bumper. I have yet. So, pick this up. We got bondo. Now, we are going to need some sandpaper. I'd highly recommend picking up gloves when you work with bondo as well. So that's another thing you guys might need. Also a necessity. Definitely need one of these because I'm like, my back hurts. Holy shit. 200-pound maximum. I mean, there's nothing else here that shows that I'll be fine. I'll be fine. But we got everything here. We have our bondo, sandpaper, gloves, seats. I'm pretty sure that's all I needed from Canadian Tire. Let's go back home. Alright, so Canadian Tire run done. Let's drive back home and I'll show you guys the other build. Let's go. So guys, just like that, we are finally back at my house. And with that being said, I'm gonna show you guys the other build. So this Mitsubishi Lancer is gonna be the budget build, and in that garage, I almost turned around the camera. In that garage is going to be the main build of the channel, the BMW 135i 2009 1JZ swap, molded wide body, insane aero, custom made. Trust me, you guys are gonna love it. So let's hop in the car and we'll get started. All right, so if you don't mind all the garbage and everything, this is a 135i molded wide body build, the 1JZ swap. So you can see this is the first. I did a couple coats of bondo on it, so still need to sand it down, get it smooth again. I think one more coat. pretty much sand. If anything, is that a fly? If anything, one more coat to smooth it out. We also have some other custom stuff. I'm gonna do a chassis mount wing custom. We got the piece mounted up. So this is gonna be another video, basically how to make your own DIY wing. Again, like I said, there's gonna be a lot of videos coming to this channel. Other than that, I think I'll just end this vlog here. And this is, I'm just call it a challenge here, you know? Something like that. That's all to say. Peace out.